Hi, welcome to SADESIGN channel. Today I'll show you how to create window shadow effect just right in Photoshop. Duplicate background layer with Ctrl or Command J. We'll turn this photo into night mode. Go to Filter, Camera Filter, or shortcut Ctrl Shift A. In Basic tab, reduce warm tone by sliding temperature to the left. Adjust exposure to -2.4 to darken photo. Increase highlight to 43. Okay, next we'll create window shadow. Use rectangular tool. Choose shape. White color infill, no stroke. Draw a rectangular shape just like this. Pick up Path Selection tool, a shortcut. Holding Alt, click and drag this shape out to duplicate it. Hold Shift and select 3 of these shapes. Then use Alt and drag down to double it. Head to Edit, Transform, Skew. Click and move up just like this to create a window shadow. Edit, Transform, Distort. Expand it and adjust its position. Change blend mode from normal to soft light. Decrease fill to 50%. Go to Property tab. In case you cannot see it on the right side, go to Window, Properties. Sharpen this layer by increasing feather to the point that you see fit. Click on this icon to create a mask. Pick up Gradient tool. Black in foreground color. Click arrow icon and select first black white preset. Make sure to choose linear gradient with this icon. Create a line just like this to make the window shadow fading naturally. Click to adjustment icon, select gradient. Click to color bar to open gradient editor. Choose foreground to transparent preset. OK. Angle 0 degrees. Style radial. Check to reverse. Scale 210%. Reduce opacity to 60%. Enjoy! If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, or you can leave comments right down below. Thanks for watching.